YouTube? You already know. Joy Max back with the banger. So here is my 240SX. It's fully caged.
Best kept secret.
What's up, YouTube? You already know what it is. Joy Max back with a fucking banger, I guess.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Here we got the 5.3 for the 240, but I don't need half the shit on this thing. So I'm gonna get stripping it down and going from there. But all right, YouTube. We're about to get the heads pulled off. We just stripped it down long block form. Looks good for the miles on it. Has like 500,000. I'm just kidding. It said it had like 120 something. But everything looks all right. Gonna be getting that guy out of there. So we're about to pull the heads off. Fully pulled off. Pop that off. Get it stripped down pretty far.
Like you don't know what it's called?
What, this?
Yeah. It's just a thing.
It's just a timing cover. It's not important. Look at this shit, though. It's gonna rust, bro. It'll blow before it, you know.
Yeah. Before it can rust through, it's gonna send a rod.
36 socket. So
36?
pick this back up when we pull the heads. All right, quick rundown. Everything with the motor looks good, but as you guys can see, the bearings for the cam, they can be replaced. We're in here already, so I'm gonna replace them. But everything else seems pretty straight. So we're gonna get these changed out and then go from there and get everything else done and try to get this back together. The goal is to have the motor and trans ready to go in the car this week and try to get this thing ready. So pick this back up. The 240 is at the shop and we are putting that less in. Shop's bomb right now, but motor's going in. Trans is built, well, adapter. So we're gonna be getting this in. I'll put a time lapse and yeah, I mean, cleaned out the bay. We're gonna just get it running and then Jordan's gonna paint everything. But let me pick this up. Let me help him get it in. Just gotta cut here some. Fucking shit still fits so tight. Trans is in. Motor's in. We're getting somewhere, man. We're getting somewhere. Here's the shit box. We got the motor in. I'm gonna throw clips of shit like cutting the bell housing and getting all that shit to work. But we have to change some of the turbo piping because it doesn't clear the alternator bracket. My injectors don't fit in the intake manifold.
What? What the fuck?
So yeah, we have a lot of bullshit going on, but I ended up having to find a tank. But we got a tank, got the radium, 2 450 pumps in there.
Nice.
What you doing there, bud?
I'm trying to make a pump fit. We're just gonna grab a deep socket.
Make a pump fit type shit. Hey boy. But
3 days later.
Your body is brilliant. From your head to your heels. We're just here to supplement you.